Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can send text messages and see your notifications while on your computer. You can send and receive messages conveniently, reply to messages from any popular apps including WhatsApp, Kik or Facebook. You can do all this with the just simple Android app and Google Chrome extension. So please see the complete video. Open Play Store on your mobile. Search the app Push Bullet SMS on PC. Install this app. Let's read some more about this app. This app allows you to conveniently send and receive SMS messages from your computer, reply to messages from any popular apps including WhatsApp, Kik and Facebook. Easily share links and files between your devices or with friends. It saves your time. App is installed now. Open it. Sign in with your Google account. It will ask for permission. Enable push bullet notification access. Give access from here. Click here. Ask for permission again. Click allow. And here you see an email from push bullet. Click OK. Enable, allow. Again give permission. Enable all permissions, and it's done. Now it's asking to visit push bullet on your computer. Now we open Chrome browser, search for push bullet Chrome extension, install it. It's installed. We open this. It shows the same interface as it was on my mobile. Now I sign in. Here you see the interface which allows me to set up my phone, set up computer, text from computer, see notifications, connected devices. My Q Mobile J7 is connected. As I send hi message, it received and shows a pop-up on mobile as well. You see, I can send photos and files by attaching them here. Search it from my mobile. Here I can connect my friends or other devices, start new conversations. It's showing here my all devices. I can select device to send file or message. Here are the settings. Here we can change the settings. SMS synchronization, notification mirroring. You can do setting here. Here you can do all the setting. Push link to device, push files to device, see notification, chat with a friend. I click on Chrome and it goes to the extension that is already installed. Give me a link of extension. I removed it. Here can do setting of the extension. It tells how to send files from PC to Android or Android to PC. Here it's showing my connected devices. I can add a device here, attach files to send, any image or other file. Here it's showing the apps for Windows, for Chrome's extensions, Firefox extension, Opera extension, Android app, iOS app. Here I connect another account. It shows the push history, connected devices, invite other peoples. So you see how this app helps you to get notifications or files on your computer. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.